Hello, hello, hello. Weenie in the house, hello. Can you hear that? Can you hear the fireworks? I don't think you can hear the fireworks, can you? No, I'm not trying out Ubuntu today. I'm far too settled on what I've got now. Oh, it looks like it's coming out twice now. Okay, cool, cool. That's working. I'm not ready at all. I wasn't going to stream, but I thought I should really test out the desktop environment for streaming. Now I can't remember my password. Hang on, there it is. Oh no. Ramses, hello from Fedora with Harmony. How are you doing? I need to get a new Mac. I don't actually. I don't need to at all. And I can't afford one. But this is terrible. It's like taking about 3 hours just to change the page. Mooey Mooey, hello. How's everything going? Good, thank you. TJ Wolf, welcome on in. Good to see you. Yeah, it's going good, Mooey. How about you? This is where I'll find out I've got some kind of shortcut that cancels the stream or something. No, keybind. I don't know. I don't know if it's my Mac that's... Yeah, it's got to be my Mac, surely. Oh, it's low power, that's why. Have I not actually am I plugged in? Yeah, I'm plugged in. Free ads, yeah, well, that's part of being on YouTube, unfortunately, unless you, like, cheat and take like, ad revenue away from me. Someone's got to pay for it. Oh my god, is the stream okay? It's really like stuttery on my Mac, but I think that is because there's low power. Yeah, it's got to be because there's low power. Let me just change the Right, okay. Everything's good. Good. I've got no idea what we're doing. I'm probably just gonna hang around and it sound normal to you. Good. Virtue, hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Well, that's interesting. I can't turn the volume down in the actual app. I have to do it from here. Black Don in the house. Hello, dude. Welcome on in. Let's press this button. See how it looks on stream. This is the first time you're going to see my desktop on stream. Well, not you, Don. You saw it last night. Zero X isn't here yet. I know that he's playing with his friend at the moment, Claude. Watch this. And I want it that side, I can put it in the middle. I can go like that. I can put it back in the middle. I can do that. I can put it in the middle. I can do that and put it in the middle. Then do that and do that and do that. It's so cool. I mean, it's so cool. I just want to hear how the volume is. Oh shoot. Right. Oh, that is weird because you can now hear it. Where's OBS gone? Oh, there it is. Now I had to change. Oh, hang on. I had to change from using Control to Control Shift to scroll, because when I edit on DaVinci Resolve, my control moves across the timeline, and Niri took it. Niri stole it. Right. Okay. What are we doing? I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what we're doing. What are we doing? Okay. Well, I think that's it. Test complete. I mean, I don't know. I mean, if someone's not busy, I mean, I don't know. Maybe we can do that. The other one is, hang on, I don't like having Discord open. Although there is streamer mode. Well, this annoys me. When it goes above 10, obviously it shifts, but it's always hovering around 9, 10. No worries, dude. It's all good. 2 Firefoxes. Yeah, I've got one for the stream, and then the other one for. I mean, I could put that one in here, but I kind of use it for. One is to keep an eye on you lot, and 2, it's for my music thing. So, yeah. If I go across, no. Oh dear. Oh dear. Mistakes were made. What have I just done? Oh, that's fine. No, I was supposed to do that. Still getting used to it. Okay. Okay. Click on that one and do that. There we go. Right. I reckon I'm going to test my installer, but without. I'm not quite sure what to do. Maybe I'll do. Oh, have I done it there? Did I do that? No, we're just going to delete that one, and then we're going to install a new one. Should we do? We're going to do the full K. Should we do the full KDE? Oh, actually, I'm going to try something different. We're going to do Fedora Everything. 8192. We'll give it 30 forward, and then we're going to go Fedora Lite. We're going to customize it because we need to have OpenGL and 3D acceleration on for Niri to work in a VM. So we're going to finish that. Go to virtual video, turn 3D acceleration on. Go to the display spice, easy to say. OpenGL, make sure listen type is none. Go to there. Begin installation. Let's go. You see Ubuntu. I did that. I messed about with the Ubuntu beta, and I removed GNOME and installed KDE, and then I removed Snap and installed Flatpak. Or I think no, actually Flatpak might have already been installed, but yeah, that was interesting. How's everyone's day been though? I mean, obviously it's Saturday, it's the weekend. What have you all been up to? Yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah, let's say that's what I do. Yeah. Yeah, let's say that. Oh, my eyes! My eyes! It hurts my eyes! And I've got an idea. I've got an idea. We're going to create a user on here. Look. Watch this. We do software selection, but we're going to choose it needs to be Wayland. Is XFCE Wayland? Well, let's try it. We're going to try it. We're going to try it anyway. Screw it. We'll just try it. Waiting on some FedEx packages. Oh, what are you getting? What are you getting? So this one's got 1555 RPMs. Base KDE's got about 2500, I think. New direct drive wheel bundle. Ooh, I'm guessing that's for a petroleum driven vehicle of some kind. Oh, hang on, what's going on here? Oh, I'm an idiot. That's what's going on. You can't minimize, can you? Just close that. Well, you can minimize Steam actually, and OBS, and virt-man. But I wanted to go in, look, and show you some of this stuff. Look at this. Go into wallpaper. I'm going to stick that one on, and all this changes. Look, put that one on. See how it's changed colour slightly. Do it again. Change colour again. It's so cool. If we do that like that, and then what we can do is we can go. What I can't remember the thing I now done. Is that one? Okay. I have more Moser R5. Wait, what? Oh, I'm going to be doing some sim racing next week. Oh, cool. Have you got it all working now? Oh, PNX VD4. I've got no idea what that is. I'm going to be doing some sim racing. Well, I've just realised I've got that on. Oh, I don't know. I wasn't listening either. I have the Moors of R5. Yeah, I just had to turn those two little icons. You know when we were in a chat the other day and it was showing our icons? I mean, I could probably jump in a Discord call and it would come up. I'm going to test that. If I just get into a random Discord, go into there, and go back to there, and then do that, and then do that. Testing 1 2 3. Huh. Wait a sec. Oh, well, it's not working. Oh, there it is. There it is. I've got it working. Got it working. There we go. Hey, Nightblood. Hey, Nightblood. How you doing? Welcome on in. What thingy? Sorry. Oh, yeah, I remember. Yeah. Good to see you. What have you been up to this weekend? You got any gaming in? How does that look? I mean, I've got it on quite low quality, so... But the audio should be beautiful. That does look pretty cool. It looks quite dark though, doesn't it? Oh, is that because I got brightness? Oh yeah, it's my brightness. That's why. Oh dear. Does that thing work when just recording too? Yeah, it will do. Yeah, you just need to be in a Discord channel. So today I was testing my old main game Scum on Linux. It's just well. Oh, nice. I think I played Scum once. Have I got Scum? Yeah, I have. Is that I should better just drag that and stick it there. So it's like dead center. Look at that. Scum is a survival game and I have many 1,000 hours on it, but one day it got bored. Yeah, it does. Games do that, don't they? Oh yeah, so this is unsupported, but that's going to be graphics. Oh, okay. So it's one of those ones that says it's unsupported, but actually it works fine. Having so much fun scrolling, I know, right? I'm still getting used to it now. Because you saw my script that I stole from you and redid. I couldn't quite get that one line right. Hey Emmy, how you doing? This bit here, I needed to get help for this bit. But once I got it, that works. So basically now, well, you can't really see it on the stream. If I do that, no, that center focus column always. So this is always going to be in the center now. So everything goes off the edge of the screen. Whereas if I do that and then just drag it along, it should look perfect for you on the stream. Although it's not quite perfect because you could just see this edge over here, can't you? Single player runs normal with Steam, but for multiplayer, I had to install with Proton Trick runtimes, and now I also have multiplayer. Nice, looks good. Yeah, just that little gap, that little tiny bit over there. That's could just do with moving it across, and just a little tiny bit, you know. Not enough for me to do anything about it though. No, the stream looks good, doesn't it? Looks really good. Just shows them on the screen. Yeah, that's a good point actually. It's like, yeah, look at me, look at me. Zero Linux in the house. Hello, dudes. Oh, it's monitor on here, isn't it? Display, sorry. keep this config. So what we're going to try and do is, oh, this is weird. This is weird having to move windows around now. Can't believe we are here and you're actually using the window manager. I know, right? I did do Fireworks, didn't I? Too. Yeah. On Windows, I have micro stutter on Scum, but Linux nothing. Oh, I might. Right, so we are on LXFCC. I don't know what it's called actually. Have we got Git installed? No. Okay. Oh, I don't need to do that. What am I doing? Let's go to the internet. Oh. Okay. That's annoying. So we're going to go sudo dnf install Firefox. Right, actually moving windows around feels so weird after. It does, doesn't it? Peer pressure does one of. I know, right? XFCE, yeah, XFCC, XFCC. Oh shoot, I'm back. I was buying some soda from the store. I've got some soda, although we don't call it that over here because we're not maniacs. We call it fizzy because it's fizzy. Right, now we got Firefox installed. I'm dragging it to the center. Can you believe that? Sorry, I don't apologize. There's nothing you can do about it. So we're going to go Linux Gamer Life GitHub. For some reason, it only takes me to the Debian one. And then we're going to go to my repositories. Niri and Noctalia. I'm just going to download that. And then we're going to open that up. So we're going to go. Why is it opening it down there now? So we're going to go cd downloads ls ch mod plus x install, and then we're going to go like that sh. Nope, like that install sh. So we're going to try this now. Oh boy, stock XFC is very, isn't it? It's not the most beautifulest. So I've changed the script now on version 0.2. Rather than just installing Cinnamon, it asks you if you want to. So what I'm testing now is if you've already got a desktop environment running on your Fedora install, can you still use this script to install the rest of it? So that's what we're trying to do today. Now, when I checked last time, it looked like it was still installing Cinnamon, but apparently there might be some dependencies, but I don't think there's dependencies. No, there can't be, unless it's just GDK stuff. But let's have a look. Oh no, it's done it. It's going straight through. Oh yeah. My dad is going fishing tomorrow, which is cool. Nice. So I'm installing. I'm going to try and use LXFE, LCFE, PFSFE. All these acronyms. I might remember it if I knew kind of what it meant. What is it again? LXFCE? No, LXFE. I'm trying to find them. Except, yeah, that'll do. XFWM, that's fine. Now it's asking if I want to install my loadout. Obviously I do. It's mine. I made it with my friend Claude. And then the schedule manager. XFCE. It's a little bit like this channel, isn't it? Extra fucking cool entertainment. Yeah? It's got to be that, right? New slogan. Jacqueline, hello, welcome back. Good to see you. Right, so now we should be able to go up here, change that to Niri. Oh my god. You see that? Did you see how quick that was? Velocity, let's go! That's mental, isn't it? Hey Jacqueline, so I've been converted to Niri Noctalia. Thank you, Black Don. I don't know how he does it. He just like talks and then suddenly you're just going, oh yeah, I'm installing that now. Damn, how did that happen? I didn't even do anything and now it's installed and now I'm using it. What the frick? So what we're breaking today is, so I made a script, and you know when I say I made, it's vibe coded, right? I made a script to get you up and running with Niri and Noctalia from a completely blank Fedora install. And I've just modified the, then I modified it to give you the option of installing Cinnamon, because I thought, oh, Cinnamon's quite a nice little thing to have in the back end, you know, just to have it there in case you need to log into it. So I'll put that on there. And now I've changed this. Oh, there is one thing now. I can see two mices. Can you see two mices? Why can I see two mices? What might be causing that? So it is broken. Why would I be seeing two mices? I was trying Niri, but looks not good. What are you talking about, dude? It looks beautiful. Okay, so we might need to ask the question. Why can we see two mices? Wayland KVM bug with WMs. That's a little. I'm going to need more info than that on Niri Noctalia. It's mices actually. So when the system software cursor is so it's Fedora. I know it is mice. I'm just being facetious. Well, it doesn't really ship with anything out of the box. Oh yeah, no, there isn't. Yeah, no, that you get default. Wait, what? Yeah, that's one of the big differences. Nightblood is you have to do some work. So if you're not willing to put the work in to make it look pretty, then yeah, it's probably not good for you. Brilliant. Is it going to tell me how to turn them all off then? Niri config, we can do that. We can do Niri config. Nano. I am an idiot. I am an idiot. Control F. Scale. Oh, of course it's this, isn't it? That needs to be 1. That needs to be virtual 1. And then that goes to there. That needs to be... Oh, we'll leave it at that for the minute. And then we've got normal. And then that needs to be 0. And then we just need to go just do that again. And go Niri validate. Okay. I don't think I've set the what's the notepad that comes with LXFE? Smitty in the house. Let's go. Do you prefer this or KDE? Oh, trap news. I am 100% converted to Niri and Noctalia now. 100% converted. I'm absolutely loving it. It just feels so light and airy and fluffy. KDE just feels so heavy and like chunky, you know? Hola, mi amigos. Did you fix your USB thing? Did I help in any way, shape or form? Is 3D rendering enabled in the VM? 3D acceleration is, yes. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this config is still broken. So let's just have another look, shall we? Just going to do that. It's weird running it inside here. I'm sure it would have told me off, wouldn't it? So scale is 1. That's... Oh, that's what... Virtual 1. Output virtual 1. Disable... that's fine. So mode is that. Oh, that's it. Oh, I know. So it's Niri message outputs, like it tells you to in the instructions. And the one that we want is that one. And then what we do is we'll go to there. And then we'll go control. Still got 2 though. Still got 2 mices. Niri Inception. I know. A Niri within a Niri. Use Kwrite. Okay, yeah, I'd have to install it. I don't know what's installed with LXFC, to be honest. Yeah, this is definitely scaling, isn't it? Does scaling need to be set to 0? That's what it is. Right? Oh no. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. Abort. Abort. A problem occurred. We just broke it. Best way to learn, isn't it? Breaking things. But the keyboard problem still persists on the EPO maker. Oh, yes, you helped, but in a different way. I left a nice message on this. Oh, thank you, dude. Where's my phone? I've lost my phone. Hold on, I've just got to find my phone. Oh, found it. It was just literally 2 feet away from me. I was thinking, who's in Discord? That's me. I hate keyboards. I hate keyboards. So you... Oh, okay. Well, that's a lot of words, dude. But if I had to be version 3 driver, I'd use a software. Okay. Oh, I see. So can't you get the version 4 installed? Oh. Okay, that's fine. So we've still got 2 Mises. A Fedora? What am I doing? Oh God. It's been a long weekend already. On this one we can go sudo dnf install cmatrix. Go cmatrix. There we go. Right, I need to catch up. I wonder if you can get free mices. Mousepad it's called. It's where all the mices hang out, isn't it? My VRAM is literally 128 megabytes. Wait, what? That's interesting because I have got an EPO maker, but I don't use it wirelessly. I only use the mouse wirelessly. I could have actually tried that, but I don't know where the dongle is for it. I should have 2 dongles for it somewhere. Fedora's on 619, yeah. I don't think I did an update, did I? I know, it would have pulled it down, wouldn't it? Yeah. So if I run my tool now though, well, I'm going to go full screen. Oh, I see. Right, okay. Well, you can't just shout out mousepad when we're talking about mices, dude. That does look quite cool. Considering that's in a VM, it's very, very clean. Not gonna lie, Greta looks nice. Yeah, what's that one? That's like DM, I think, isn't it? No issues when using a cable on the EPUB. Oh yeah, it's just the wireless thing. Yeah. Well, I use the wireless on my mouse. And I really wish I could. I really wish I could get to the point where I could remember the commands that I actually posted in the Discord for you. One day I'll understand it all. It's weird because I've got all my keybinds set up, but they're not set up on this. So what do we need to do? We need to go to... Oh, it's up here, isn't it? Oh, no, yeah, no, we're not going to mess about with that. Going to go up here. We're going to type in LGL. Yes, there's definitely something up with the scaling here, isn't there? So if we go sudo install DNF, sorry, install, let's do qt6ct. So that should already be installed actually. Thinking about it. Qt6 settings. Change that to darker. Change that to GTK. No, we'll just leave that as default. We're going to go apply that. If we close that down, close that back down, and then open it back up again. There we go. That's how you fix it. A lot of my cats win. It's fine. I still don't know the commands. So sweet. Oh, sweet. My Linux icon changed on my name. Looks like I've been a member for 2 months. Oh my God. Yes, it has, isn't it? Thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it. I don't know how you put up with me. You know? Despite being on Arch that I manually installed, I barely ever use the terminal. Wow. That's cool. Do you know what, Smitty? I did that. I put all that text in the Discord for you, and then I thought, oh, there's got to be a GUI because he's going to prefer to do a GUI. So that's when I went off and found one for you. But I like doing that because I learn. Yeah, that's why I don't want to use fish as well. Actually, I learn by doing. So yeah, appreciate it. Cyberglyph, what's cracking, kind sir? I'm just messing about with a script that installs Niri and Noctalia on a base install, but for some reason I've got 2 mice. I haven't worked out how to do it yet, but I'm just going to install. I can't remember how to do this one. It's not going to be in here, is it? No. So it's enable poll kit on. It might already be in the actual. You say it's mousepad. Maybe not. Okay, well it's not that. I reckon it's called text. No. Thunar. Desktop dist DNF file manager firewall input selector panel profiles power manager run program task manager file manager preferences window manager screensaver. It's not called mousepad then. Velocity loves using the terminal. We put up with you because you're fun and witty. Cool. Oh, thanks, dude. That GUI was sweet. I like all of the stuff it can do. Yeah, there was lots to it. It looked really like overwhelming. Excellent. Go to town. Nice. It's just not installed, but there's a text editor for XFC. Right, okay. DNF install. Okay, right. Look at all those dependencies. Well, it looks like there's a lot of. So there's a lot of RPMs, but it's 25 meg. So the whole number of RPMs thing to measure how bloated something is just bullshit. Because of what others were saying, I was getting fixated on the RPMs, but it depends what those RPMs are, right? Best way is to just do that. So 3.8 gig this install, so that's quite light, not gonna lie. But I do think that there is something in the config that we need to look at. I've installed Kwrite, but that's not going to work. Oh no, it will work. Yeah, of course it will. Of course it's going to work. There we go. There we go. I really like Foot terminal. I've not tried Foot. Eric, hello Eric, welcome on and good to see you. I've been using Ubuntu server for so long. When I finally made the switch on my desktop, I found myself instinctively using the GUI for everything because I forgot I have a terminal. It's not mouse acceleration doing this. I don't know. Sudo DNF install pack. No. That's a you problem, Emmy. Nice day to watch you live once again. Thanks, Marie. Right, okay, so what are we looking for? Mouse. So there's nothing on mouse anyway. Middle emulation. Uncomment this to make your mouse wrap around from there. Right, so that's correct. Let's just get rid of all this junk for the minute. So it's nothing to do with the virtual setup. I've not had this multiple mouse thing before. Let's get rid of that. Go to here, go to my config, and we'll just have a quick look. Oh, hang on. It's not going to be that 0.0, surely. It won't be that, will it? No. No bloat zone. Just make sure you add yeah, I've got 5. Oh, sorry, I've got 6. I don't think I installed 5 as part of the package. Maybe I added... Actually, I might have added it, you know. Qt... No, I only had Qt 6 at the moment. I only use terminal for fast fetch and screenshots. Nice. What am I doing exactly? I am just messing about with Niri and Noctalia. I've got a Niri and Noctalia script, which I'll load up now. It is in open my computer. No, yeah, downloads. And close that. Oh no, that didn't work. That didn't work. There we go. No, that's not what we wanted. We wanted to go and open that one. So basically what this does is it asks you if you want to install... So I put it together for a Fedora base install. So that's using Fedora Everything and installing nothing. You then run this script and it would install Fedora. So it brought in any dependencies that I hadn't quite worked out yet. And then it would install Niri and Noctalia. And then once you've rebooted a couple of times, you then get the choice to either log into Cinnamon, which you don't actually have to do ever, or go straight into Niri, and it works. So then I thought, well, I wonder if you can do the same thing on a Fedora install that's already been installed, whether it's got KDE or XFCE or whatever, and have an option at the beginning to say, do you want to install Cinnamon? So now you can run it when you're in a live system and it'll install Niri and Noctalia. But the problem I'm having is, for some reason, I'm getting double mouse, and I don't think it's anything to do with my install. You might think you're saying it might be to do with hardware or something. Moji Baked in the house. There we go. How are you doing? Make sure you use fully developed DE. What does that mean, Ramses? Hey, Mr. Mr. Key Game Bull, Mr. Kigami, Mr. Kagami. Yeah, have I got that right? That would be oddly specific, but is an X session running in the background? It's maybe the VM mouse and the main machine. No, I don't think it's that. Oh, hang on. No, would it be? Oh, do you know what? %100% that. I think XFC Fedora defaults to X11. Good spot, Mui. So how do we break it? Do we do it? Is it something to do in the settings? This window manager seemed to be half-baked or something. No, it's not half-baked at all. Look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. So now you're getting the full experience, not the one that I'm messing about with. Let me just change the desktop. Wait, what? Change the wallpaper to something that I quite like. Let's do that one. No, let's do that one. No, the desktop environment's beautiful, dude. What's wrong with that, man? Yeah, it's a sync issue with hardware cursors most likely. Can that be fixed or nah? What compiler? Do you mean compositor? Niri. can't remember what it is. Is that one? No. Is it that one? No. That one? No. I can't remember what it is now. I'm not there. That's the problem when you do random. Oh, here we go. It's a Wayland compositor. Yeah. No, Niri is a Wayland compositor, dude, and a window manager. I broke my Zero Linux 2 times, but it was this kind of things that I'm learning. Oh, okay, as long as you're learning. Oh, that sounds cool. You can try to add a hardware input to the VM config, or if that doesn't work, setting WRNL hardware cursors in the VM possibly. Put that down there, I think. So do I just type this in here then? Is that what I do? The WLR underscore no underscore hardware underscore cursors cursors equals 1. Right. Oh, hang on. What was that? Where was the thing for the X11? Because you might be onto something there. Oh. Because it did work before. Oh shit, where's it gone? Well, that's not telling me anything, is it? Isn't there a way to do something? Echo dollar $XDG. No, okay. Zero Linux, yep, that's what I will be doing on Zero. So KDE click install Hyper Zero Knock. It will install Hyperland and Noctalia. And I'll oh, nice. News based on Smith A WLR variables should still work, I think. For me, instead of separating the Niri and Hyperland config, I just add a huge space between each command, so it's more visible for you. Oh, okay. What I had, what I've started to do is, so I split out the window rules. I'm starting to put like comments after each one. Obviously, some of them are really easy. But I don't know. I'll never remember what that Steam app is, so I'll add the finals after it. But the rest of them are pretty straightforward. And on this config, I'm just going to start clearing it up. Once I get a feel for all of the different settings, I'll sort it out. It's a variable. You should add it to your profile that launches Niri. Oh, no idea how to do that, dude. I'm lost now. Hang on. For me, instead of separating, that's why I've been apprehensive about Niri Hyperland Noctalia stuff. I don't think I'm advanced enough to do this yet, but I know I'll get there. Well, the Hyperland one is going to be a little bit easier because there's a really cool app. And I actually started to make an app. You know what I'm saying when I say I started to make an app? So if I go into home, just bring that to there. I didn't want to do that. What did I do that for? I wanted to do that one. Go into my projects file. Go into... so I've already got it built. Where is it? That one there. So we'll just center that. So at the moment, it tells you who you're running as, what version of Fedora you're running. Click on next, and then you can check to see if the actual repositories are installed. So that's done, and then all the other stuff that you need. Oh, that's the installer. Wait, hang on. That's not what I was trying to do. Config manager. There we go. So we've got this one. And then Control C, go next. So then you can make a backup. So I'll click on that now. It's going to create a backup of both of my files. I'll click next, and then I can either split them out, make it a hybrid, or have a single file. And then you're starting to get into the settings and all that. So I don't want to mess about with it actually, but I suppose we could test it on the other thing. I think it started to crash here, and then I got bored. But if I can get that working, that's going to make it easier. But then I realised that, well, somebody's already done it at Hyperland. I'm on kernel 7. Today was the big update. Yay! Has it changed your life? Probably not. One day I won't be a newbie. Yeah, you will. We'll always be newbies, Smitty. Won't we? Looks fine. Nice. So not to like DM session prompt. What? Can't you just use regex for Steam games instead of adding window rules one by one? To what end, Major Baked? Because I might want them different. I might want one to float, or I might want one to be full screen, or I'm guessing that would be a case of whenever Steam launches, do this. Sorry, whenever a Steam game launches with an app ID, do this, and which is not what I want it to do. Nightblood 10 to 15% more performance with AMD. Really? Are you sure about that, Nightblood? Dangerous newbies and all that. I know, right, Velocity. I have the same card. I've got the same card. Hang on, have I got that one? No, I haven't got that card. I've got a 9070 and a 9060 and a 66. I have the same. Oh yeah, hang on. I just read that. Wait, is Arch added kernel 7? If I go, I was trying to work out Polkit, wasn't I? Oh, that's still doing that. Oh, I've got an idea. Wait, let's just force this off. I'm just going to force that off like that, right? And then we're going to get rid of that and go delete. Yes. And we're going to go, I want to install. I'm going to do KDE full desktop environment, which doesn't detect for some reason. Fedora. 423. Forward. I'm going to give it 8 gigs of my RAM. 4 of its CPUs. We're going to give it 30 gig to hang out in. And then we're going to customize it. I'm going to KDE Niri test. Finish. We're going to go to virtual video 3D acceleration, turn that on. We're going to go to display splice, turn that to none, and turn OpenGL on, apply, and then we're going to begin installation. And I'm about to burn your eyes. Okay, just that's a warning for you. I got about 15% improved, but how are you measuring that? How is that being measured? Kernel 7 is on Cache OS right now. Cool. I'm going to retest PCSX2 on Vulkan with kernel 7. Nice. I'm going to double check that. Sure about how are you measuring the performance gain? That's quite loud in my ear. That's probably going to be quite loud in your ear. Okay, I still need to know how to fix the MIP map thing for my Steam games. For some reason, one of my games doesn't load the shaders on low, but when I move it to medium, it works little. I don't know what MIP map is. Smitty, I want the audio bar visualizer you have at the bottom of your screen. It looks great. It's pretty cool, isn't it? It's not bad. Come on, let's hurry up and get out of this. Oh. Right, okay, so we've got the mouse is fine in here, look. Right, so it must have been to do with the local host. Sorry, the local guest. The guest. You are cheating right there, relying on KDE now for Polkit. I know this has nothing to do with Polkit, dude. It's to do with the mouse thing. I'm just testing to see if a Wayland install is the difference. I didn't even need to do that. I could just use GTK. I think I used GTK on mine. Control F. Okay. So I'm using. Oh no, I'm using KDE there. I don't even. Oh, that's because I've got KDE installed, haven't I? Yeah. Next. You wasn't quite right because I was already relying on it, so I wasn't cheating. But having said that, this install is on top of a KDE install anyway. So it's not cheating. Niri workflows fly. Oh, it's so good. It's so smooth. This track is so good. How cool is this track? How's the volume for you guys? Oh, it's not gone up for you. It's gone up for me, but not for you, because I've got it on a limiter. Oh no, I haven't got it on a limiter. I thought I had a limiter on that. Oh no, I've got gain. Well, I will be learning Hyperland and Noctalia soon. Nice. I've not had to do much with Noctalia really. Been mainly this config that I've had to do most stuff. And it's mainly been these freaking keybinds, which I want to move out into a separate one, but just not yet. Sleepy Shaman, hello, welcome back. Good to see you, dude. Zero Linux Noctalia is solid, in my opinion. Stays out of your configs. 2, nice. What actual configs do you have in there then? Because I know there is some. Oh, okay, so it's just your settings. Oh, so you got your favourites in there, pinned apps, audio. Oh, volume step, that's cool. Oh, that is cool. Yeah, I mean, that's an amazing picture considering where it's come from, but it's not a great wallpaper. Right. Go back to night time. That wallpaper looks like the inside of my head, just empty space. Yeah, I don't know. I will never use it myself. I cannot deal with window manage just for my users. Nice. The amount of ads I got right now, insane. What is happening? Not fond of quick shell in general. It's a bit too gluttonous for my tastes. But for those who don't mind that, Noctalia is a solid choice. I don't get that. Gluttonous. It doesn't feel anywhere near as heavy as KDE. But then I don't know what you use. What do you use, Moji8? Jacqueline, the cure for ads in Firefox is on. Yeah, I'm not going to talk about that. Oh, that's quite a cool one. I like the fact it changes all of this as well, all the colours from that to match. Who says? It's making me look stupid now, isn't it? Do I turn that off then? Waybar. Oh, okay. Is that what comes as default? That comes as default with Noctalia. With Niri, doesn't it? I think. Pretty sure that was a default one with Niri. Nice. Oh, that's not my. They're not my wallpapers. I mean, if that means I'm cool, Smitty, then there definitely was my wallpapers. But otherwise, yeah, that's built in. So basically, you can go to wallpapers and then go to here, and you can either look at what you've got locally. So this is all the local stuff that I've downloaded, which is that one now. Or you can go to Wallhaven, and it just pulls them in from there. And you just type in your search. If I go Arc Raider, maybe. No. Arc. Okay. What about Star Wars, maybe? Oh, we might get some good ones here. But I was just checking something, wasn't I? Hang on. Wallpaper. Look. Wallpaper. Oh, it's in the colour scheme. Tonal spot. Oh, that's it. I think it's that one. So now if I go into wallpaper, go to here and pick something like completely different. You see how all of this changes shade and changes hue? So if I go to something that's a little bit more blue or green, everything's gone green. I didn't think there was a default, to be honest. I'm used to TWMs just being bare bones. Maybe a distribution config had it as set as default. Yeah, it was the if you don't do anything, you still get a bar at the top, which is like all like solid yellow, solid blue, solid, which I think is Waybar. Yeah, Waybar. Sorry, Wallhaven's built in Smitty. Guys, is Waybar isn't a shell? Guys, is Waybar isn't a shell? I think it's half of one, isn't it? WMs are brain breaking. I got enough to deal with on KDE, just making it for my users because I care. Oh yeah, well done, dude. Madman needs to run only TTY for max efficiency. It's just an awesome anime series. Oh, okay. Waybar also pays GTK Toolkit tax, but it's much less than QuickShell. Right, okay. Oh, I see. QuickShell is the hefty toolkit tax, right? Because of all of the bits and pieces, like the wallpaper and all that sort of stuff. Got you. Sleepy Shaman says, if you're a colour guy, I like Faithful. I don't know what Faithful is. Is that another wallpaper place? Wallhaven has been my go-to for wallpapers for 15 years, if not longer. But a good thing is it's built into Noctalia. It's Rosephine is pretty nice as a default. I don't know what Rosephine is. Is that a shell? Maybe it kind of depends on how you define shell. It's mostly a status bar style, which uses WL layer shell to anchor. Yeah, so it won't be a dock. So you've got a shell, but you haven't got a dock. So you'd have to install a dock, and you'd probably have to install something like Xwaylock or something similar for the lock screen and things like that. Oh yeah, but you can see everything's gone. Yeah, another way to show you, if I go to my bar and make it a solid bar rather than oh, that's a bad example. No, that looks shit. We're not doing that. We do that one. It's changed again. It's picked out some of the sort of what would those tones be called? Peach tones. What else should we do? Oh, this would be cool. Ah, let's go. That's quite neat. Don't know what it says though. It could be rude. Could be rude words. Some of these are quite good. Some of these are AI. Waybar is far more basic than QuickShell in many regards. What are you laughing at, Smitty? Yeah, and yet Waybar is much depends on dot files, am I right? Most of the folk I knew used drun or drun style roofy instead of launchers though. So that was a non-issue. Gotcha. I don't know what those two things are, but I kind of get the sentiment. What should I type in? And keep it safe for work. I don't want to get TOS'd. I'm using Fuzzle. Oh, Fuzzle. That, yes, I did actually see that. Maybe. I'm pretty sure that was installed, but I think I might have uninstalled it. Oh yeah, there it is. I've still got it. Japanese garden. Oh, hang on. Ooh. Not a fan of real life image desktops though. You can extend it with scripts, but they are pretty much polling scripts, so you can get messy. Oh, hang on. That's not helpful, is it? That's quite neat. Makes everything pink though. Got no idea where any of this is. Nordic skies. Oh, that's quite nice. Wait, is there a way to bind the Noctalia app launcher? Yes. I use mod B. And Linux mobiles are totally right. I can find my config. Control F, and then it was mod plus a B, because it's the quick shell. You spawn a quick shell. I don't know what the -C stands for, but the quick shell is Noctalia shell, an IPC call launcher toggle, and that opens the Noctalia launcher. So hang on. What is the best way to install Arch Linux? From the beginning. When you get there, just type Arch install. Don't listen to anybody else. They'll tell you if you're not installing Arch from the start, you're not doing it properly. No, Arch install version 4 is actually not bad. So when you get to the TTY, just type in Arch install and see how you get on. Kimi no na wa. Wait, is there a way to bind? Yeah, I've done that. IPC command. Overflow is a very family-friendly anime. Overflow is pretty good. All right, we're gonna have a look then. Oh, hang on. This is installed. Wait. I'm multitasking right now. Yeah, see, this works fine. I reckon it was a Wayland thing, you know. Wouldn't Google that on stream. Okay. Yeah, don't get me in trouble. We have installed, we did install it, didn't we? Yes, we did. Oh, that's useful to know. Linux Mobile. Oh, hello Linux Mobile. Welcome on in. Good to see you. So quick shell -c Noctalia shell. What does the -c represent? Is it command or something? Oh my god, is that the time already? To specify the config directory. Gotcha. So let's say you've installed KDE. So everything's up and running on KDE. We're going to go into here. And then we're going to go sudo dnf repo copr enable Linux gamer life / lgl system loadout. Do that. Sudo dnf install lgl system loadout. Come on. Oh no, maybe not. lgl system. Oh, it's because I haven't installed it yet, isn't it? Loadout. So once I've worked this out, I'll do a video on it, but I want it to actually work, you know. Maybe connect to the Wi-Fi FOSS with that. Okay. Garden words are safe for wallpapers. Yeah. Okay. Shut up helps. In that case, it's telling it to use Noctalia shell as its config directory. Ah, okay. Oh, it's doing updates as well now. Come on. I've lost chat now. I could probably cook an egg on my MacBook Air, you know. It's that warm. I mean, it literally is hot to touch all the way across the bar where the speakers are. Is that speakers? No, it's not. Across the top. XDG config director, not entirely sure if that makes more sense. That's usually... Yeah, okay. It's config, and then it's got a folder called Noctalia. But there isn't one called Noctalia shell in it. It's just, there's like settings, colors. But it'd be Niri anyway for that, I think. And it's Niri. It's called config.kdl, which is in the Niri directory. Wait, what? Did it actually install it? Oh, it did. Okay. Wonder what % of Linux users watch anime. I've never really been into anime. I'm still installing KDE MUI on the VM. I'm pretty sure the issue with the mouse was to do with X11. As highlighted by Emmy. I used to watch a lot. These days I mostly read manga. Oh, okay. You watch tons of anime. I don't know why I can't get into it, but then I don't really watch anything that's animated. I just prefer things that are steeped in realism, you know? Even if they are shit, like mind-numbingly boring films. It's got to be people. This is something I didn't test when I was using my app. This works fine, isn't it? You don't half bitch sometimes, don't you, Emmy? Let's see how many gigabytes it's got, shall we? DF-H. 6.9. It's still smaller than the ISO that you get from Omaki. Mr. Kage, after SAO and Tonikawa, I don't see any that good anime to watch. Okay, I've got to abandon my dog in the field again. Hopefully it won't follow me home this time. Thanks, Major Bait. You take care. Good to see you, dude. 6.9. Nice. Nice. Oh no, you should download Xwayland Satellite. That already gets pulled in with my app, with my installer. Oh, that's interesting, actually. I don't know how... I mean, it was enabled in the config. Xwayland. Yeah, so it would have spawned. Is it done now? No. .04 was using nearly 20 gig. Oh my god. I've actually got a distro on a USB. It begins with E, I think. And that's a 25 gig ISO. Is it Eternal? No, not Eternal. It might be in my distros folder, actually. EOS. Endeavour. No, it's not. No, it's not Endeavour. Oh, it might be Endeavour. No, it's not Endeavour. That's Arch-based, isn't it? Hey Dex Tex, how you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you, dude. How's it going? Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. what's it called? It was one of the ones that I... No, it wasn't that one. Enlightenment. That's what I'm looking for right now. LGL needs to play RDR2. Yeah. The problem is it's time. What? Welcome back. It's my first time here. Really? Well, there's somebody else with a very similar name to you. Maybe it's Tex-Mex Dex or Dex Tex-Mex. Or Mex Tex Dex. You know? I mean, it's quite a common name, isn't it? I'm not going to lie. It's a little bit like John. Welcome to the stream, Dex Tex-Mex. Mex Tex Dex Mex. Yes, RDR2. See, one, I don't have it. And two, I don't have the time. XF86 video VMware found not found error. Where's that? What? Could not. Oh, hang on. Am I missing something? I got error. Oh, I don't know what that is. XF86 video. Do you use VMware? If you're using VMware, you are on your own. See, it's removing stuff now, look. Have you played Doom? Yes. I have. Have I even got Doom? I might have played it on Xbox Game Pass actually. Yeah, no. I would have played that one on Xbox Game Pass. Velocity, 3 days later. Oh no, that is taking its time, isn't it? That's KDE though, it's nothing to do with Fedora. I can get Fedora done in like a couple of minutes. I was trying to install Arch. Oh. Don't know then, dude. Just going to close that for a minute. And so make sure you can see everything. Update frozen? Nah, it's fine. It does that. It's fine. You're just impatient, Emmy. Mr. McCumby, you should check Zero Linux is based off the minimal Arch install with KDE install. Yeah, that's a good idea. Do that. It's C Matrix. That's what I've got running. Yeah, C Matrix is there. Look at that. I did actually have Neo in the background, but because it's blue, because that's my default font in terminal, I thought I'd leave that there. Right, so that's that installed. So if we go back to utilities, we're going to install hang on, no, there's one really important thing to do, and this is purely for you. I mean, this feels sluggish within the VM. So we're going to put in RPM Fusion, fast fetch, VTOP. We don't need any of that stuff. We don't need any of that. We'll select all of those except VLC. We don't really need that. Don't really need any of that. That should all be done. We'll do the kernel modules. We're not going to do Steam. We don't need to do virt-man. We will do Firefox. That's already installed, so we don't need to do that. Don't need to do any of those. We're going to put in the cache kernel just for shits and giggles. Schedule manager. Go. I need to fix that because it's looking for a file now that doesn't exist anymore. Okay, what about the bash thingy? Should I use fish or stay with... Yeah, just try them. I don't like fish. It puts me off because it gives you the list of everything. And it's like, oh, so now I have to put attention into seeing what it says and trying to work it out. Maybe when I know the commands later, I might prefer fish, but at the moment, I'm still learning them. I use ZSH. Oh, hang on, that's the wrong button. I'm not. That's the wrong button because I'm inside. I'm inside here. That hasn't got a. I use ZSH. I don't want to do that. I quite like it because, I mean, it does autocomplete, but I still got to know what it is. So I want to do system control, right? So I can do system control. So it doesn't tell me what it is. I've still got to remember it, and I quite like that. Oh yeah, this is oh my ZSH here. Yeah. So I quite like that it does that. And if I want to go set default, I can just do that. And then I won't do that on this one. Let's say multi-user target. I know it's multi-user target. And if I double tab it, it gives you a big list of things that's got target in it, based on the last thing that you typed. Irontress, how you doing? Welcome back, dude. Good to see you. Retro Travo, another one. Welcome back. I'm still working on the weekends. You stream, but going to listen in. Okay, dude. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. One failed. Reboot now. So you kind of have an autocomplete, but it's not an inline one. And it's the inline one that puts me off because it's telling you what it thinks you want to put in. And if it's not what you want to put in, then you have to put something else in. If that makes sense. Right. We are fully installed by the looks of it. We'll go to here. We're going to grab Niri Noc. We're going to grab the script. We're going to download it. We're going to open up the folder. We're going to close that. We're going to press the magic F4. And we're going to go chmod +x install.sh /install.sh go. Right, hang on, let me make that bigger. All that just to make it look like that. There's a couple of buttons on the other one. Oh yeah, it makes more sense since I had the same issue. What's the best Arch environment? Zero Linux. Do a search for Zero Linux. Although you'll need to know how to run the script, which is on the website anyway. Or the Firefox logo looks cute. So do you want to install Cinnamon? No. Although I could do, because I need to have a Qt based one, and then a GTK based one. Go with Niri and install Firefox. I wouldn't recommend Niri. Not if you're struggling just to get Arch installed. No, we don't need to do that because it's already installed. Don't need to do that. Oh, that one isn't installed, so we'll do that. Right, that's it, done. Although, it might not boot. Oh, it is booting. Oh, hang on, no. Niri. Let's go. So this is the Xwayland that gets installed as part of KDE. So basically all you need to do there is delete it from the autostart. Two versions of Zero Linux, a paid one and a DIY version. Can't go wrong with either way, and it looks and works great. Yeah. Everyone uses KDE Old Gnome. Yeah, I used to. Well, for a year I used it. Well, I say a year. It's not quite a year yet. It's already installed. That's a bridge. I shut it down overnight. There's no need for it to be on. So it'll be kwrite because that's installed, right? Kwrite. Config Congo config Niri. Oh, hang on. So that's Niri, MSG, outputs. Let me just fix this quickly. Oh, poo. Oops. There we go. Yeah, so when I install it, it adds this script, and it spawns. It installs. It comes with Wayland now, I believe. Niri comes with Wayland, so you don't actually have to install it. But I do spawn it at start. Actually, wait, hang on. If I take that out and just go reboot. I always shut down. I shut down mine a lot. Always have mine on all the time. Yeah, so it's not that. That's to do with KDE. And I can show you that because if I go into where is it? CD, etc. XDG, auto start. And I will just list it rather than go into it. You can see it's just there. Oh, that weird. Oh, that's weird. The mouse starts glitching when on terminal. On the GTK, it was fine for the moment. Wait, what? What are you talking about? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's back. Yeah. Huh. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? Screen just go off so I can sleep. All right. So what is causing that then? Is there anything in settings? Actually, let me just try something. Oh no, hang on. Huh. It's the first time I've ever noticed it though. It's weird because it is the first time I've ever noticed it. Right. That's interesting, that. But it is working. I'm going to have to try it on hardware, aren't I? I'll try it on hardware first. I don't want to have it as a done deal. QT6 to environment. But that won't make it. Shouldn't make any difference to the mouse, because it's still rendering that the actual host mouse for some reason. So, if anything, it'll be something in here, right? Don't know. Relative mode. Oh, relative movement. Right. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie then. Oh, that's weird. That was cool. I'm back. I was trying to reinstall 0. Oh, nice. How did you get on? You're expert BR? Wait, what? I'm not an expert. Far from it. VM shenanigans. Exactly right, Emmy. I'm back. I was trying to install. Oh, yeah. I just read that. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Well, that might be. No, it can't be, because it's still rendering the. So yeah, it's nothing to. It can't be anything to do with inside the VM, because it's rendering the outside mouse. You broke the install again. Damn. Sounds like a skill issue, dude. Just kidding. Right. I think I'm done. I'm going to go to bed. It's... What time is it? 11:30. Jeez. I'm going to explore that some more, because that's got to be to do with... It can't be to do with what's inside the VM, right? Yeah, it's quite late. I'll be back on tomorrow as normal. I've got no idea what I'm doing tomorrow, though. I might just end up gaming or something. Oh, Central Europe. Yeah. Alright then, I am going to make a move. I have got a new thing actually. I'll do that tomorrow. We'll do that tomorrow. Did I? Yeah, I did. There's not much to choose from in the mouse settings, so I'm not sure. I mean, it's not too much of a problem. Now I know that it's nothing to do with the install. We should be fine. But I will. Maybe that's what I'll do tomorrow. Maybe I'll test the test it on actual hardware tomorrow, before I'm ready to sort of do a video about it, because I don't want to do a video about it if the script is causing issues, you know. We shall see. Anyway, thank you so much everybody for hanging out. It's been an absolute blast. I wasn't going to bother tonight. I'm kind of glad I did, so thank you all for hanging out. As always, when the stream's finished, do what Smitty does. See if you can get there before Smitty. Put a comment after the stream. Okay? See if you can get there before Smitty does. That is your goal for this evening, okay? Because it does help the stream get seen. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow. Probably installing on hardware. I think I'll probably do some hardware stuff tomorrow. Oh, that'd be good because I can check to see that the capture card still works. There's no reason why it shouldn't work. So, but it'll be a good test nonetheless. And hopefully I can get that script finished. And we need to test it 3 ways. We need to test it with Cinnamon, and then we need to test it with another operating system, another distro, and then not select Cinnamon, like what we just did with KDE. Then so that'll be fun. Maybe do some gaming if anyone's around as well. If Black Don's around, we might jump on some Arc Raiders. Not sure, but we shall see. But as always, thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, and I will catch you in the next one.